oh my gosh, I lost 1.5 inches on my arms, which is insane. At least 1 inch on my waist, and I'm healing really nicely. Here's what it looks like, my arms, and here is the back and the sides.
Time keeps slipping us by, waiting on the wind and the waves in the sky, hoping for a swell, maybe 4 or 5.
Call time for surgery was 6:30 in the morning, and we live about an hour away. So we had to wake up at like 4:45 this morning, and I had to shower with antibacterial soap. I was trying to pre-film a lot for YouTube, so I was up till like 12 anyway, so we're gonna clean it up tomorrow. But I mean, in the meantime, I was like, I might as well show you guys what it looks like. Here's my bed setup too, like, because eventually drainage will happen when the pads are full. I laid down a bunch of towels so that my nice white sheets do not get all messed up. So a ton of towels are a absolute must, like absolute must. All right, I'm sorry for the horrible angle, but I just cannot even be bothered to like find a tripod or anything right now because I am like loopy AF. So let me tell you a little bit about surgery, like the actual procedure before I forget. I absolutely love my doctor. He's incredible. I like had heard so many good things about him, so I was super excited to work with him. And he basically, like we went over the last minute things about the procedure. He told me that basically, you know, obviously all the things that I need to know for the next day and blah, 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 to make sure that I walk around. From there, he marked me up and what areas that we were gonna do, like the final areas. And then from there, they give you the happy concoction, okay? Then at that time, like David had to leave the room and they turn off the lights and they had like music playing. It was just like 90s hits and I was feeling it, honestly. I was like, this is some good music. Like it brought me back. I like kind of remember certain things about the surgery, but not really. Like I was kind of in and out of sleep. I was saying weird sounds and, but you know that TikTok, Holy Spirit, activate.
You cannot.
Hold on.
Okay.
Holy Spirit, activate.
Oh no.
Holy Spirit,
no. Oh, no.
activate. Holy Spirit, activate. 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 All right, let's go.
So from there, I was going in and out of sleep, and it was about 2.5 hours. We were anticipating it to be about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, but it was only 2.5 hours. From there, we went into the other room and I just kind of recovered. And this is like where I was like so loopy, and bless the nurses of the Westchester location because they gave me snacks to eat because you can't eat. I could eat before the morning and I did eat in the morning, but you can't like obviously eat right, you know, before the surgery. I told you guys I would show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this is what it looks like when you have maxi pads all on you. I'm taking them off for drainage. It looks like my drainage has stopped, which is exciting. But yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower for my first shower right now. Hey guys, still look crazy, but I'm walking around. This is day 2 and I wanted to show you guys the progress. I have to go like this so that you can't see this area. Sun is going down almost, but I've basically been up moving around for most of the day. Here's where we're at 1 day post-op. I have never in my life ever seen my like arms this small. This is crazy to me. I have maxi pads underneath for the drainage, and then this is where we're at with the side. I'm really bloated, so we have the maxi pads obviously, but I'm also really bloated. So I shouldn't see like full results until like 4 to 6 weeks, and then like full results until 6 months. But so far feeling good. I don't see the little bump back here anymore, which is nice. But yeah, this is where we're at. This is 2 garments. So I'm wearing the full garment down here, and then this is actually a separate one right here for my arms. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick little check-in. This is 1 day post-op. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. I accidentally drained a little bit Last night on my bed, I should have had this like this, but it is what it is. I had maxi pads on and everything, but it still drained a little bit, so it's not too bad. If your drainage looks something different than this, then that's an issue. It should look like Kool-Aid, but I finally have the energy. Hi guys! Finally have the energy to clean up this, I don't know what you would call this. It's crime scene right here. So I have a big, huge bag. Oh, cannot show the hoo-ha. Have a big, huge bag cleaning up around the house. We're 2 days post-op. I'll go through and like let you guys know how I feel a little bit later, but wanted to let you know I'm feeling good today. We're getting back. We're getting back. My energy is getting back. Woo! All right, quick little grocery haul. This is day 3. I wanted to make sure to get some healthy food, so I have blueberries, frozen blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple chunks. We have chicken breast that will be perfect for the Ninja Foodie later. Grain-free tortilla chips. I'm trying to make sure that I eat as gluten-free as possible. Pineapple is really good for healing, so I got an actual pineapple as well. And then, oh my gosh, wait, where is the other pineapple? I swear I got like 2 smaller. Oh, I have a whole nother bag. Okay, so I also got pre-filled or pre-cut pineapple. Kale chips. These have sodium in them, but Jaclyn Hill talked about them and I wanted to try them. So, you know, better alternative to other chips. This is pineapple and ginger, I believe is what I got. Organic pineapple and ginger juice. So again, pineapple slices just to have on hand. And then I got some salmon. Love fresh salmon for protein. Then I got some fresh berries. So I got strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And then again, this definitely has sodium in it, but if I want a little something with the chicken or the grain-free chips, then I got that. It has like aguacate. It's basically aguacate, so it has like a avocado base. My favorite organic orange juice with extra pulp, some spinach, and some sugar snap peas for snacking on, and then just a big old thing of water. Let me show you the rest that I still need to take out of the bag. Here's what it looks like when I'm sitting down right now in my compression garment. Again, super, super bloated. I am on day like 2 or so of my period, so just keep that in mind. This is what I look like with my compression garment on. Here's it is. Very, very bloated right here, and I still see a little bit right here. I'm gonna ask them about that because I don't see any like bruising right here, and it's, you know, kind of giving me a little bit of worries because I want to obviously make sure that I'm healing, but that we've done it all. It is day 6 right now, and yesterday was the first day that I could actually like get around and move a little in the afternoon. I feel like because on day 5 I did get my period. I have very like violent periods anyway, really heavy cramps, heavy flow. So I was kind of out of commission from like end of day 4 all the way into today essentially. Like I got some work done yesterday. I was able to film a little bit and edit a video, but really nothing was changed to give you guys a check-in in the first place. So and then today I was able to do a lot more. So the number one thing that I would say from day 4 to now is that I actually feel more sore now than I did a few days ago. I think the other thing, just to note too, the last 2 days I've just been feeling like really mentally down because this is going to be a very mentally draining process. Okay, so you go in, you are obviously going to get results, but these are not quick results. Okay, these take like months to see the results, and for me, I'm a very like instantaneous person. Like I want to see results immediately. Yeah, you're not going to get that. So day 4 I was feeling like really down about it. I'll pop up some photos of like what I look like throughout the whole entire thing while I'm talking about it. But day 4, I was really down on myself. Like I felt like really puffy. I finally was able to drive on day 4 to the store and back, like nothing crazy. I was off my pain meds by day 4 as well. I'm just taking Tylenol. And then, like I said, yesterday was kind of a wash. Day 5 was a wash because of my period. And then today, I felt a lot more energetic, but just like so sore. I lost 5 pounds, which is exciting. I started at like 261, I think, and I weighed in at 255 this morning, so that was exciting. But like I said, I just think that for me, like, this has been like really struggling mentally the last few days. And I have my 1 week post-op tomorrow. I'm seeing that little area right here that I'm like really hoping goes down. I don't know if you guys can see it. The compression garment like really sucks everything in, and I'm like not, like, I'm not seeing like, I'm not holding anything back, you know what I mean? So here's kind of where we're at. And right here is where I really want to make sure, but they can only take 5 liters of fat. So if I have to do a phase 2, then I'm going to try and ask about that tomorrow, because I want to make sure that I get everything like as in the winter time so I can heal and look good for the summer. Maybe I should pull up my pants 1 second. Yeah, it's just been a crazy journey. I don't even know what else to say. All right, we are here at my 1 week post-op, same exact room and everything, and we are gonna see how I am healing, and yeah, super excited to see how it goes. Okay.
So I'm gonna do
I don't remember what any of them were.
I have it.
You have it? Okay, perfect.
Okay, so I'm gonna reach around.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you this way. Sorry, I know
No,
it's
you're fine.
cold. Okay. 41 and a half, 42.
Okay.
Now your waist is a 38. And then your hips. 48.
Okay.
Write those numbers down. For that, and
Okay.
I'll also do your arms.
Perfect.
Okay. So you lost an inch on your hips.
An inch on the hips?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, okay.
What did we say the below bust was?
41.
41. Okay, so that's the same.
Okay,
And
that
I'll
makes
tell you
sense.
why. Then the waist is 38,
38.
which we didn't measure last time because we don't measure that for the garments.
I feel like I've actually, I have old measurements, and I feel like they were in the 40s.
Okay.
So
that's
I'll
great.
look back and see.
And then I'll
But
measure your arm.
I know it's smaller.
Oh, I know it is.
This, I think, was what, 16 and a half, I think?
15.
Wow, we lost
Yeah.
an inch and a half?
Yep.
That's insane.
That's crazy, right?
That is insane, an inch and a half on my arms. Wow, in
And they're
1
still
week.
swollen.
That's the thing, I'm like, I'm literally still swollen.
Uh-huh, yes
You guys are making me feel better. I can be up.
Aw. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, guys, we just finished up. I am healing up really nicely. I'm super excited. I lost, oh my gosh, I lost an inch and a half on my arms, which is insane. At least an inch on my waist, and I'm healing really nicely. Here's what it looks like, my arms, and here is the back and the sides. And yeah, I'm feeling really good. I was super discouraged at first when I came here, just knowing that obviously it takes time. This isn't an instant procedure, so it takes time to heal. But at the same time, now that I have all my questions answered from my post-op, I'm super excited to see where the results take me in the next couple months, and everything is healing so nicely.
Time keeps